I'm going to share with you one of my secrets to achieving great looking skin, even though I'm into my 50s. My friends often ask me how I managed to stay looking young. I went online, and after reading many of the reviews on the home tightening machines, I discovered the Panda Box. I noticed that my chest, neck, and jawline were losing its firmness. This RF machine improves wrinkles and tightens skin. Skin tightening treatments can cost somewhere between $600 to $1,000 per treatment. Absolutely ridiculous. Because I wanted to treat multiple areas, I bought a Panda Box. It cost me only 320 Canadian dollars, and I bought it off of eBay, and it's worth every single cent. This machine can save you thousands of dollars. When you get your Panda Box, you'll receive this instruction manual, so you should read every single part of it. You will be so happy with your results that you'll want to treat other areas. You can treat your stomach, your thighs, and your arms. Awesome. The reason why I purchased a Panda Box is because I woke up one morning and I noticed that my skin wasn't as fresh and taut and firm. Turn on your fabulous new Panda Box. You will find the turn on and off button on the side of the machine. Set the intensity for as high as you can tolerate to the point of warm but not to burning. I set mine at 4 or 5 for my face, neck, and my chest area. Buy some gel. The gel that you purchase is called conductive gel. You can purchase this online or at eBay. I purchased mine from Walmart as it is a lot cheaper. Clean off the area that you will be treating. According to Wikipedia, radio frequency skin tightening that uses RF energy to heat tissue and stimulate subdermal collagen production in order to reduce the appearance of fine lines and loose skin. I like to apply the gel directly on the head of the device. You can also put gel on the area that you are treating. Use the large head for areas such as your face, neck, and your chest area. For under your eyes, use a small head. After the gel starts to dry out, apply some more. When you are doing your treatment, move slowly but not so slow that you burn yourself. Over time, you will find a pace that works for you. You will be doing this treatment in front of the mirror. Don't forget to treat your neck area and go all the way back of your jaw. You can also treat your chest area. Turn off your Panda Box. It's actually very simple. Clean off the area that you just treated. The wonderful thing about owning your own Panda Box is you can do upkeep to maintain your wonderful results. Your friends will ask you why you look so good, but it's going to be our secret. This is Wendy. Thanks a lot for subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you next time in Wendy's World.